हेलो फ्रेंड्स, टुडे हम डिस्कस करेंगे बेंजीन एंड इट्स डेरिवेटिव के बारे में। पहले कंटेंट देख लेते हैं। स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ बेंजीन, ऑर्बिटल पिक्चर ऑफ बेंजीन, रेजोनेंस ऑफ बेंजीन, एरोमेटिक कैरेक्टर्स एंड हॉकेल्स रूल, chemical properties of benzene and their mechanism, effect of substituents on reactivity of monosubstituted benzene, and at last structure and uses of DDT, BHC, saccharin, chloramine। इस वीडियो में हम सिर्फ स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ बेंजीन से लेके एरोमेटिक कैरेक्टर एंड हॉकेल रूल तक डिस्कस करेंगे और नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ बेंजीन से लेके एकदम लास्ट क्लोरामाइन तक डिस्कस करेंगे। ओके, इस अभी आप देख रहे हैं जो मॉलिक्यूल है वो है बेंजीन। बेंजीन में देखिए 3 डबल बॉन्ड है और 3 सिंगल बॉन्ड है। बेंजीन का मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला है C6H6। It contains 3 conjugate double bond, means 1 double bond, 1 single bond, 1 double bond, 1 single bond, and it is liquid. Benzene is a liquid. Its boiling point is 80 degrees Celsius and freezing point is 5.5 degrees Celsius. It is mainly obtained from petroleum product and coal tar. See, this is a picture of benzene. अभी हम वेरियस स्ट्रक्चर, बेंजीन का वेरियस स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। पहला है केक्यूल स्ट्रक्चर। दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ बेंजीन प्रपोज्ड बाय केक्यूल। जो हम जनरली बेंजीन का स्ट्रक्चर लिखते हैं उसको केक्यूल्स ने बताया था। According to Kekulé, all the carbon to carbon bond length are equal in benzene. The inner circle indicate pi electron that is equally shared between 6 carbon atoms, and each corner of benzene is indicated by a carbon to which 1 hydrogen atom is attached. The bond length of each carbon atom is identical, that is 139 picometer, which is intermediate between a typical single bond and a double bond. This is the formula, or these are the assumptions that Kekulé made for benzene. Objection to Kekulé structure. Kekulé not explained the stability of benzene towards oxidizing agent. It also, Kekulé structure not also explained the why benzene undergoes substitution reaction though it contains alternative double bond. Many double bond it contains. Although it contains double bond, it undergoes substitution reaction. Kekulé did not explain. And Kekulé structure does not explain the unusual stability of benzene. नेक्स्ट, अभी जो आप देख रहे हैं यह है ऑर्बिटल स्ट्रक्चर एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड स्ट्रक्चर। जो हमारा लेफ्ट साइड में है ये है ऑर्बिटल स्ट्रक्चर, और जो राइट साइड में है वो है इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड स्ट्रक्चर। ये सब है पी ऑर्बिटल्स। पी ऑर्बिटल्स यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन इक्वली शेयर हुआ है। अदर स्ट्रक्चर that include क्लॉज स्ट्रक्चर, दीवार स्ट्रक्चर एंड बेयर स्ट्रक्चर। इसका आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं। अभी हम बात करेंगे रेजोनेंस इन बेंजीन। द केक्यूल डज नॉट एक्सप्लेन why benzene is a stable molecule, but resonance explains the stability of benzene. The resonance structure says that the benzene contains not purely double bond, not purely single bond, either it is an intermediate between a double bond and a single bond. So, have you know what is resonance? Resonance is nothing but the two structures, same molecular formula, but the electron arrangement in the structures are different. This is resonance. Next, heat of hydrogenation also explains the stability of benzene. We know that when unsaturated compounds undergoes addition with hydrogen, they release heat energy. That is, this is called the heat of hydrogenation. That is, when an unsaturated compound is supplied with hydrogen, it releases energy to and get saturated. This process is called heat of hydrogenation. Less the heat of hydrogenation value, more is the stability, and vice versa. So this concept is used to explain the stability of the benzene. First, cyclohexene. It has the heat of hydrogenation 28.6. Cyclohexadiene. It has 55.4. And benzene, that is cyclohexatriene, have 49.8 kilocalorie. These are the amount of energy that is released. But you can see that the cyclohexadiene have 55.4. So if theoretically we go, cyclohexatriene must have 85.8 kilocalorie per mole of energy, but it does not have 85.8, rather it has the heat of hydrogenation value 49.8. So here is the energy difference of 36 kilocalorie, hence benzene is stable one. Here we diagrammatically represent this heat of hydrogenation. You can see the first one is cyclohexene. This is cyclohexadiene. This is benzene. So when hydrogen is added, they all converted into saturated compound and they release this amount of energy. In case of cyclohexene, it is 28.6. Next, Hockel's rule and aromaticity. So first we will discuss what is aromaticity. Aromaticity is nothing but it is the property of a cycloalkene to be more stable by delocalization of pi electron. फिर से बताते हैं, व्हाट इज एरोमेटिसिटी? एरोमेटिसिटी साइक्लोएल्कीन का प्रॉपर्टी है, जिसमें से जो कि साइक्लोएल्कीन का स्टेबिलिटी बढ़ाता है। कैसे बढ़ाता है? बाय डीलोकलाइजिंग द पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड इन द रिंग। पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड को एकदम डीलोकलाइज कर देता है, उसी प्रॉपर्टी को हम बोलते हैं एरोमेटिसिटी। नेक्स्ट आते हैं हॉकेल्स रूल। हॉकेल proposed a rule that which compound shows aromaticity. To explain aromaticity or whether a compound is aromatic or not, we use Hockel's rule. According to Hockel, compound is aromatic if it is cyclic, planar, conjugate system of pi electron, low heat of hydrogenation, and it obeys Hockel's rule. If a compound is cyclic and it is planar and it is conjugate system means alternative double bond, single bond of pi electron, and it have low heat of hydrogenation and it also obey Hockel's rule, then the compound is aromatic. If so, देखते हैं Hockel's rule. It is also called 4n+2 pi electron rule. That is, if a compound have 4n+2 pi electron, then it is aromatic. Okay, where n is number of rings. देखिए हम फिर से बताते हैं, मॉडर्न थ्योरी ऑफ एरोमेटिसिटी। वो गया सिर्फ एरोमेटिसिटी का प्रॉपर्टी। आप बेंजीन को भी यहाँ पे ले लीजिए, बेंजीन ये सभी रूल फॉलो करता है, ये सभी रूल को वो ओबे करता है, इसीलिए उसे एरोमेटिक बोलेंगे। अभी आते हैं मॉडर्न थ्योरी ऑफ एरोमेटिसिटी। इट इंक्लूड्स ऑल रूल ऑफ एरोमेटिसिटी एंड इट हैज सम एडिशनल रूल। फर्स्ट इज, if a compound loses one proton and forms an ion, then it is aromatic. Example, tropylium ion, cyclopentadienyl ion and cyclopropylium ion. You can see that this is a ion. These are all ions. They lose one proton and become what? Ions. They become ion. See, these ions obey Hockel's rule. See here, 2, 4, 6. 6 pi electron present here. So it is aromatic in nature. You can also see cyclopentadienyl ion. You can see this is the compound. This negative sign indicates a lone pair which is included in the ring, so it also obeys 4n+2 rule. This is also cyclopropylium ion. This also shows positive charge, hence it is aromatic in nature. Okay, next, heterocyclic compound. What do you mean by heterocyclic? You can see benzene have all carbon atom, but in heterocyclic, instead of one carbon there is either nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, any other group present, but carbon is not present. Then this is called heterocyclic compound. You can see this is a pyridine. It does not contain this carbon, rather it contains nitrogen, but it have 4n+2 pi electron, so it is aromatic. Pyridine also, it does not contain any ring, but it is aromatic. Similarly, non-benzenoid compounds, like non-benzenoid, you can see These structures do not have benzene-like structure. They have different structures. So these are called non-benzenoid compounds. They are following aromatic, that is Hockel's rule. So these are aromatic in nature. Okay. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Subscribe Chan Smart Class. You can also get here pharmacy related videos and mathematical tricks. So okay, finally thanks for watching.